Hey everyone, it's SaraStyles, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this look right here. I'm dying. Today's look I have kind of named like Firestorm. As you can see, it's a lot of like hot reds like in the earrings and in the lipstick. But anyway, quick reminders, if you haven't heard about my little memory board shout out collab thing. So if you haven't heard, every week I will be putting the social media of one of my lovely subscribers who has commented down below once they have liked this video, subscribed to my channel, and turned on my post notifications. So I'll be choosing one of those people to give a little shout out on this memory board behind me so that while I'm doing my videos, whatever social media you want will be displayed behind me so that other people can spread the love and show you some love on your social media. Anyway, so something that I kind of want to start doing on my channel is an inspirational quote of the day. I come on here and I act really happy, really bubbly, really excited, but you know, you guys don't see what happens behind the camera. And I think that's really a problem with social media, is that it is only a highlight reel. Only see what that person wants you to see. We all go through hard times. We all need a little boost in the day. Every week I'm gonna be sharing a little inspirational quote. If you have any favorite quotes that you like, DM them to me or email them to me or whatever you wanna do. Okay, so I wanted to pick a quote that kind of resonated with me, and the quote that I've chosen for today says, "Be kind even on your bad days." Even when we have bad days, it's no excuse to be ugly to other people. It's time to get into this video, so I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into the video. Do you guys love these earrings as much as I do? Oh my god. It is Makeup Monday. It's exciting. It's fun. So I'm just gonna quickly show you guys before I go into the tutorial what I got from Sephora, just because I'm so excited about it. This is the Fenty Beauty Fairy Balm. I have been wanting this ever since it came out. Look how freaking adorable this is. All you do is like bounce this on your skin and the glitter comes out. I got the Hourglass Vanish Foundation Stick. I got this in the color Ivory. Fun fact, this is what Manny MUA uses, and then also I got the Ombre Z highlighter. I have been trying to get my hands on this for the longest time. Y'all, can we take a second?
So now to just jump straight into the tutorial, I am taking this Hourglass Veil Primer. And for foundation, I'm using my new Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation. And mine is in the color Ivory, as I just showed you. And I'm just putting that all over my face and blending that in with a beauty sponge. And then I'm just going back in with that stick, just kind of using it as a concealer, just in the areas where I need a little bit more coverage, and just blending it out thoroughly everywhere. And then for concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light, my Ride or Die, what I use in pretty much every video. I just haven't found a concealer that I like any better than this. And something extra that I'm doing today is I'm putting concealer below my cheekbones. I usually avoid this just because I don't want to cake too much product onto my face. But sometimes I find that when I don't do anything to brighten up that area of the face, then my bronzer can look a little bit too blurred out and not sharp enough. Anyway, so I'm taking my beauty sponge with some powder and just doing a little bit of baking under my eyes and using this bronzer by The Balm to bronze my entire face. And then I'm taking that same bronzer with a small angled brush, and I'm just going to use that to do a little bit of nose contour. And then just taking a small brush, wiping away whatever excess powder there is there, and then adding a little bit more powder on the sides of my nose just to kind of clean up that contour. For blush today, I am using this one by Clinique. It's a kind of a deep rose with a little bit of shimmer. And then to kind of blend all of the face together, I'm using my MAC Fix Plus Gold Light and priming my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape and then running over them with that same brush that had powder on it earlier. So now to jump right into the eyes, I'm spraying a little flat shader brush with some MAC Fix Plus. I'm starting with the color Hunts from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm doing kind of a halo eye type look. So I'm doing that color on the outer corner, inner corner, And then I'm just blending it out with the colors Creamsicle and Silk Cream. Those are some more yellow, lighter shades. And then deepening up where that color Hunts is with the black color in the palette, which is called Abyss. Now I really just wanted some intense sparkle for this look. So I'm taking the Stila liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the color Smoky Storm. And I'm doing almost kind of like a tornado shape with it, and then blending it out into the rest of the shadow, and using Abyss and Hunts on the lower lash line. And then I'm just using my Maybelline gel liner and an angled brush to do a pretty dramatic wing for this dramatic look. And then for lashes, I am taking these lashes that I actually don't know the name of. I got them off of Amazon. And just gluing those on like normal, curling them with an eyelash curler, and using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on the top and bottom lashes. Then just taking my highlighter and putting that on the inner corners and the brow bone. I'm pretty sure that is Flexitarian by ColourPop. And then I'm using my Amrezy highlighter, of course, because I'm so excited. I just got it in the mail. And unfortunately, I can't find the lipstick that I used online, but it's just this bright reddish orange liquid lipstick by the brand Kiko.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If we're being honest, I think this is my favorite look that I've ever done on this channel. I really like how it turned out. So if you liked it too, please subscribe and turn on my post notifications so you know when I'm gonna post for the next time. Like this video if you liked this look, and if you wanna see more videos like this, I hope you like Makeup Monday. Remember to send me your social media so I can give you a little shout out here. So I hope SaraStyles made you smile. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
If the sun don't shine